Hello, so today we're looking at arithmetic sequences again, so part 2. But let's see what we're asked today. So given the following a and d values, write out the first 4 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so remember what the a and d values are. A is the first term and d is that difference between each term. So do we have it? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out, so let's put it off to the side here. So we have our general term is given by Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times our difference D. And then we have our recursive term, recursive form or term. Okay, Tn equals the previous term, Tn sub 1 plus our difference. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're asked to write out the first 4 terms of our arithmetic sequence. Okay, so the first thing we can do is actually write out the general term. General term equals a plus 3n minus 1. Let's do that for each of our sequences. Tn equals first term times our difference, plus our difference times n minus 1. Tn equals first term, which is 0, plus our difference times n minus 1. And last one, first term, plus our difference times n minus 1. Okay, so now we're asked to write out the first 4 terms. Part A, our sequence is when n equals 1. Oh. Okay, forgot to change our A in that first general term to 2. Okay, so when a equals 1, first term is 2. When a equals 2, we add 3 to that. When a equals 3, we add 3 more to that. Equals 4. All right, so our first 4 terms are 2, 5, 8, and 11. Good. Okay. All right. Next one, part B. B. Okay, first term, -3. Our difference is -2, so we're subtracting 2 from that. -5, -7, -9, and so forth. C. First term is 0. Okay, so very exciting. Second term, -5, -10, -15, and so forth. Okay. Fourth sequence, first term is 1. Next term is 7, and 13, 19. What do we have after that? 25. Good. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. So we have 4 sequences, and we were able to write these 4 sequences, or at least the first 4 or 5 terms, based on the information we're given. Our initial term A and our difference D. So that brings us to the end of our session today. If you have any questions, send us an email at info@raisemymarks.com, or send us a note, or give us a call, day or evening, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.